Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. So today's chapter is banking. So we were solving the MCQ questions of ICSE syllabus for class 10. If you want PDF file, I'll give the link in the description box. You can download it from there. So here chapter wise MCQs are there. So this is mathematics, chapter is banking for class 10, marks is 25. So here all MCQ questions are there with answers. See, at the end of the page I have given the answers also. You can download this file and you can practice for your exam. So see here, the first one is the maturity value stands for principle of dash and dash. So maturity value, so if you want to find maturity value, so on the principle of what? On the principle of months and interest and n years and interest, total principal and interest, A and B both. So answer for this is here. See, I have given the answers. First one is D, both A and B. So while calculating the maturity value, so this maturity value stands for both A and B, that is n month interest, n years and interest. So answer is D. Then come to the next question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 continue till n. So what's the formula for this? So here for maturity value formula, for here see, come to third column, second one, answer is B. So for second one, answer is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, answer is B. Then answer question number 3 to 5 using the following case. Here one question is given. On the basis of this question, you have to calculate answer 3, 4, 5. Question number 3, 4, 5. The question is, Ashish deposit rupees 2500 per month for 15 months in a cumulative time deposit scheme. If the rate of interest be 5.5% per annum, find the amount received at the time of maturity. So here, what is the total principal in the above problem? So here principal amount, first one, then second one is interest portion for the above situation, then amount received by Mr. Anish on maturity if bank extra give rupees 750 as bonus. So I have calculated all this and I have given the answers also here at the last page. Question number 3, answer is B. Question number 4, answer is A. Question number 5, answer is C. Then come to question number 6. So here also one question is given. On the basis of that question, you have to solve question number 6 to question number 9. So here Miss Sonal retired from SBI Bank as senior clerk. She received 12,000 as monthly pension. As she was well settled, so not required 12,000 per month for expenses, she decided to invest 50% portion in bank recurring deposit scheme. She chosen a bank which is near to her house, which offers 66% interest for senior citizens. So here we have to calculate what in principal component per month, then what interest she will receive if she took 3-year plan, what is maturity value of RD, then after term 1 bank declined interest rate by 0.5% interest earned for 4th year. So here answer from question number 6 is, answer is 6C. Then question number 7, answer is A. Question number 8, answer is D. Question number 9, answer is C. So all I have calculated and put it the answers. Then come to question number 10. Mr. Nair gets 6,455 as interest at the end of 1 year at the rate of 14% per annum in a recurring deposit account. Find the monthly installment. So here monthly installment I have calculated and given the answers like that. All the possible questions I have made from the chapter banking. 25 questions I have given with answers. You can download the file by link I have given in the description box. And for more PDF files, for more answers and questions, anything you want, you can comment me. Please like and subscribe my channel for like this PDF files. If you want any subject PDF file you get from this channel. So please follow, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.